No, that was a great setup. Thank you for that. But I am seeing you after a while. And first up, I'm going to put the other questions aside and say, wow. This is the most amazing and the fittest version I have ever seen of you. This is fantastic. Tell me a little bit about this amazing transformation.
This is the fittest I've seen myself also in my life. All my life I've been overweight. So for me also it's hugely liberating to be able to feel comfortable with myself. I've always been a free thinker. I've always been an opinionated person, etc., etc. So I would always feel confident, but I was always underconfident about my body. So I really wanted to do something about it. Many of you, I've already spoken to you guys about this, that it was just of prime importance for me to become fitter, to be able to wear the clothes that I want and just not worry about how I'm looking in pictures all the time. I was sick of that. So yeah, it's taken me almost a year of a lot of hard work.
I can see the hard work. That is just...
I wanted to become like you.
Come on,
Pehle
you know.
I used to like stand away from her कि एक photo में हम लोग नहीं आ सकते.
But now I want to stand away from you. Oh my God, you look amazing. And
Thank you.
It's fantastic that you've done this for your...
Absolutely, absolutely. I guess I'm a fit for this product and this event only because I consider myself also an ultra girl. I consider myself to be, you know, a person without any taboos in my head, without any narrow-mindedness or conservatism or whatever words you want to use. So thank you. Thank you.
Yes, you're super fit and
I like it. I like it.
Right. Now, you just spoke about narrow-mindedness and you spoke about, you know, taboos. You were a part of the finale of the Touch the Pickle campaign. It won awards. It was an amazing campaign. I was a part of it as well. So what are your thoughts on taboos connected with periods?
You know, I come from, I said this the last time also I was here, I come from a very small town where there are a lot of irrational taboos that exist. You know, we've spoken so much about these things and we've kind of come to the conclusion that there are rational and irrational taboos, right? There are some taboos which have some kind of history to them and sometimes they make sense in this crazy world, but there are some irrational ones, which was things like touch the pickle.
Touch the pickle.
Yeah, touch the pickle was one which my daddy used to give me also. So I would always feel very angry about that. Then there was, you know, there
You
are
can't
things
wash your
like,
hair.
Can't wash your
You
hair.
can't sleep on a bed. You lie on the floor.
You can't go to the temple. There are so many things that you can't come into the kitchen. There were just so many which I would constantly feel that I have not done anything wrong. Don't stop me from doing this. But yeah, so I think the important thing is to kind of eradicate those irrational taboos. We live now, at least, in an educated country, in, you know, an almost developed country, I would say. We've come so far ahead, but in these things, we're really lagging behind. So I feel that, you know, days like these when you and I come together and, you know, whisper, we all want to talk about how we feel in all other departments, but we refuse to talk about this. We refuse to come out of our shells and remove these taboos, and I think it's high time that we do so.
And it's amazing that Whisper India has come out with, you know, platforms like this where women can come on stage and freely talk about issues like this. Before, I mean, I don't know if you saw that film that just played out.
Yeah.
A girl goes to buy sanitary pads, and it's not only wrapped in newspaper, but it's also put in a black polythene bag, and a bomb squad comes thinking, you know. So it's unnecessary, whereas anywhere else in the world you go to buy sanitary pads. You just, it gets scanned along with
Yeah,
it.
it's like buying a painkiller. It really means nothing. And it shouldn't. I mean, what does it mean? Why is it put into a special department? I don't know why. Yeah.
Well, you are an ultra girl. You multitask. You work really hard to look like this. You're super talented. You're on the go. There's lots going on in your life. But, with a lot of women who are unstoppable, they're unstoppable for 25 days. But for 5 days of the month, they are very stoppable. They hold back. They hesitate. And those 5 days a month amount to 1,500 hours a year. So that's a lot of holding back. So, this particular campaign, this launch is about owning those 5 days. So how do you think we can own those 5 days?
I think it all starts in the mind, honestly. It's almost like every year we know it's going to rain in the month of June, right? But it's not like we stop living our life, oh my God, barish hone wali, I can't do anything. You know it's something that's going to happen.
So what do? You equip yourself.
Exactly. You wear a raincoat and go out there. It's really as simple as that. So if I know that I'm going to get my period every month, it's something natural. How can I slow down? Yes, some girls, have medical issues. They have, body aches or headaches or etc. etc. They have actual things that can literally slow them down. I would say those things don't stop them as much as their state of mind does, I think society has put certain kind of pressures, or we've just grown up with these things in our mind that we refuse to acknowledge that it's like any other 5 days. So I think it starts in the mind. First of all, be comfortable with yourself, be comfortable. You're a girl and this is going to happen. End of topic, literally. For me, it's as simple as that. But also, I think talking to people about it sometimes, if there are people who are making you conscious of it, if they're saying, oh, today is that, red alert,
that time of the month.
Pun intended, then, I don't know, yeah, that's why we're here today. Talk about it, let it out of your mind and forget about it, seriously.
So how do you equip yourself to own those 5 days?
I just go out there, literally. I literally walk out and I forget about it. I have done shoots, I'm sure we all have, and some of the craziest ones where we're showing our stomach, or where it's the most hectic emotional scene, or there's some crazy days.
They happen on those days.
Yeah, and and you're like, oh, okay, then no problem. I think you really just need to be comfortable about it. We live in an age where technology has helped us. We have products that can help us. We're here to launch a product that's going to help you not slow down in those 5 days. Become an ultra girl, I would say. Yeah, first in your mind, and now just buy this and you'll be sorted.
So the product being launched today makes you come.
But genuinely, these kind of products really help, yeah.
When
you can just forget about it then.
Like this are available, it just makes your life so much easier. Well, to talk about the technical aspects of this product and tell us why and how it's actually different, it gives me great pleasure to invite on stage.
Ultra girl of today. You know,
Thank you.
you know, you were talking about all the taboos, the period taboos that were there. And I think these are not applicable today. You know, they're only driven by society. I think a couple of decades ago, maybe they were correct. But today, I don't think
Even
Mandira.
then, they were not correct. Maybe they had some logic at that point. Now that logic doesn't hold.
Absolutely. I think today's girl really needs to be unstoppable. And we have these beautiful solutions which have been given by the sanitary napkin. And I think Whisper really has been working a lot on it, put in a lot of time, effort to give us this new sanitary napkin, which is 5 times better. It makes the girls own those 5 days and unstoppable.
Hashtag own those 5 days. I love that.
Can I have the... Yeah, I'll just do the presentation. You know, we are talking... So what has changed? There are these 5 aspects which are really, really important. Pariniti, look at this. This is, you know, longer lasting absorption, dry, and also it can absorb a lot. So with this top new sheet, it can be absolutely dry, faster absorption. And this magic gel crystals, I think this is something really fantastic. When you see the demo, you'll really realize that, you know, it just soaks in so much. I think that is the wings.
Okay, here we believe in not just talking the talk.
I don't need a mic also. There you go.
Okay. So I'm Prerna Vij and I'm pursuing my post-graduation. So I love the color white. I've always been in love with this color. But during my 5 days, I restrict myself from wearing white. Even when I was in school, I used to avoid wearing my PT uniform and now in college as well. So because I have this fear of staining, which is a very common fear as my sister, my mother and all my friends also face. So how does this one help, the new one?
I think this is a real fear with everybody. Obviously, you're worried about, bleeding too much, staining your clothes. But this new pad which is there, the length itself gives it more absorption. Then the gel which is there absorbs a lot more. And the 1,000 suction holes that are there in this top sheet, I think that is fantastic. It's been a major breakthrough and it really gives you that freedom where you won't have to bother about, you won't consider these days different.
Pariniti, do you ever have that fear of staining at shoots? We have to be on floor for a long, period of time.
Oh, yeah, all the time. Listen, you're no different. Obviously, all of us have this fear. And not only white, I think, by the way, my wardrobe, 80% of it is white. I love it. It's my favorite color to wear. So
you're not going to not wear white those 5 days of the month.
Not at all. Honestly, बताऊं अगर stain होना ही है तो दूसरे colors भी हो जाएंगे. I mean, it's not only white, right? But it's just a taboo in our head, right? So I think I myself have gotten over that fear now because there are products like this. Honestly, we would have problems in our school times all the time because at that time we would not have pads which were so good. Like they would constantly stain our clothes, our uniforms, everything, even our beds. Yeah, when we were sleeping, it was horrible. But now, whether it is expensive costumes which cost lakhs and lakhs of rupees, or it's my own clothes which I've spent a lot of money on, I don't want to spoil them. But trust me, first of all, these pads have wings, so they will not move. And plus
the length. The length is amazing.
The length is such that, again, it will not move. And this gel thing that we just saw, it literally took, I think, 10 or 15 seconds for it to completely solidify.
Yeah.
So you will never have this issue. For that, you have to buy this pack. In fact, I'm going to give you a pack right now. Can you see how good I am? Here.
So no more problem of staining. But you remember,
So we're right.
well, I know in school, every time we'd worry about
it used to happen, nah?
It used to happen,
No?
always, yes.
It was crazy, but now we have this. Seriously.
Okay, who's Shubhi? Hi, Shubhi. You have a question for both Dr. Nandita and...
You're in college or school?
I know.
I'm in first year college.
Wow.
We should all just die of shame,
Why?
Because you look very young. You look like you're in school.
Very cute.
Very cute. Very cute.
Gives you the advantage of 12 hours using the pad without changing. And as we demonstrated with the gel, it can be longer lasting because
Protect
of that.
you for a much longer period of time.
Yes. Absorbs much more fluid, and also the length gives it a more larger area. So again, long lasting. So I think that is something wonderful that will change and you don't have to bother with it. And you can go ahead and play. I don't think as a doctor, I would tell you that just because you have periods, you cannot do any physical activity or cannot exert. I think that's really, really wrong.
I like to work out 6 days a week. Those 5 days, can I tell you, I do not stop. It does not matter. Nothing stops me as far as my...
Period or no period, I don't work out 6 days a week. But I think I can use this excuse, period is, so I'm not working out. But
No!
today, though, nobody's going to fall for it also.
No, you can't.
That's what I'm saying. Today, nobody's going to fall for it also.
Yes.
So, damn.
So how about you give Shubhi a packet as well?
Oh.
Yeah,
No, you
yeah.
can say
They
whatever
are
you want
using
to.
this idea now. Huh? Now you see. But I have to say something also because, here.
Thank you.
Go play.
Go play.
Go to the gym now. No, yeah, it's. I think more to. I don't think it's only to do with the pad. I think it's to do with you being insecure, right? You don't know what's going to happen. Am I going to stain or am I going to? I don't know what all. I don't know what you feel, but it's got nothing to do with the probability of something happening more than your insecurity of the pad. So if you're using something which you know is not going to trouble you, it doesn't matter if you're playing basketball or you're just sitting on a chair. You will just not feel scared. So for that, you need to use something that you know will work. Which
Give you the confidence.
Yeah, which seriously, I mean, this is really a very good product. Now, how many times? Like, can I convince you guys? Abroad, so she used to always have access to the best products in the market, etc. And she always used to say that, you know, whenever we travel abroad, we must bring these sanitary napkins because they're scented and they're so cool. And we in India, we would think, oh, that's never going to be available to us. But lo and behold, it's a very normal problem. Use lots of deo and perfume. But the core of the problem is solved with this pad. And surprise, I'm going to give you a pack now.
I never expected that.
Never happened before.
Oh my God.
Here, catch. 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Very good.
All right. Well, thank you for dealing with these issues that all these, these young girls have, and a lot of young girls have.
कैंपेन जो मैं विस्पा के साथ कर रही हूँ वो है ओन दोस 5 days. Own your 5 days or own those? Own those. So I was right ना. आज का कैंपेन जो मैं विस्पा के साथ कर रही हूँ वो है ओन दोस 5 days. बेसिकली हर लड़की की ज़िंदगी में हर महीने वो 5 दिन आते हैं जिसमें उनका पीरियड आता है. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोग लड़कियाँ एंड एवरीबडी अराउंड हर बेसिकली उसके बारे में अवेयरनेस बढ़ाएं, उसके बारे में बात करें, जो भी उससे जुड़े टैबूज़ हैं उनको निकालें और उस पीरियड के बारे में बात करने से डरे ना.
क्या लग रहा है जो हमारे जो इंडियन सोसाइटी है काफ़ी बैकवर्ड रहा है इस मामले में, तो क्या अभी अवेयरनेस और डेवलपमेंट इस पे बेस्ड अवेयरनेस और डेवलपमेंट अपने सोसाइटी में तरक्की कर रही है कि अभी तक हम वहीं के वहीं?
नहीं, आई थिंक डेफिनेटली बहुत चेंज आया है. मैं खुद अपनी ज़िंदगी में जब कंपेयर करती हूँ तो 10 साल पहले तक पीरियड, किसिंग, सेक्स, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में कभी बात नहीं होती थी. लेकिन आज के दिन हम लोग अब पब्लिक अपीयरेंसेस कर रहे हैं. लोग इवन छोटे छोटे शहरों में, गांव में बहुत सारी जगहें, बहुत सारी संस्थाएं जो इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रही है, लोगों को एजुकेट कर रही है. तो आई थिंक हम लोग काफ़ी आगे आ गए, बट वी स्टिल हैव अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो.
परिणीति, आप किस तरह से लोगों को मोटिवेट करने की
माइक थोड़ा आगे ले लेना.
इतना ज़्यादा वेट लॉस किया है?
अपना एक फ़ोटोशूट रिलीज़ किया जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट था. आई थिंक लोगों को वो देखना, रिजल्ट्स देखना बहुत ज़रूरी थे. बिकॉज़ कई लोग हैं जो सोचते हैं कि वो कभी नहीं कर सकते. कई लोग सोचते हैं कि मेरा जिम जाने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, या मुझे डाइट करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, मेरी बॉडी पे तो कुछ काम नहीं करता है. बहुत लोग ऐसे डीमोटिवेटेड और लेज़ी होते हैं. तो जिस दिन भी आप डीमोटिवेटेड हैं, प्लीज़ मेरा बिल्ड दैट वे कैंपेन देखें, आप मोटिवेट होंगे. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक एवरीबडी नोज़ कि अपना डाइट, एक्सरसाइज और नींद को पूरा करना और एक अच्छे बैलेंस में रखना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट अगर किसी का फिर भी रह गया तो मुझसे आके मिलें और मैं उनको मोटिवेट कर दूंगी।
परिणीति, आप रणवीर और सोनाक्षी सिन्हा डब स्मैश जो है वो करते हुए नजर आते हो, क्या हम जान सकते
अरे
हैं
तू खांद्यावर
मजा
ठेवायचं
आहे
ना
बंकट असणं सुरू
मजा ना तर मग काय करून देऊ आता तुला
सीधा मतलब कोई
पहिलं तुम्ही
सोचता
बघा
भी
ना.
नहीं है।
अरे पहिला उभारायचं नाही तू अगर पहिला पुढे उभा आहेस कम्फर्टेबल उभा आहेस तरी हलतो तरी काय फायदा तुझा
हम
तुला
लोग
खांद्याला
एक
ठेवणं तर हल्ला
माझा बघ तरी मी त्या खांद्याला काढला
इटावा में
मतलब कैमरा
सैफई
हल्का करते
महोत्सव करके एक शो करने गए थे, बहुत सारे लोग
बाकी तो पोषण आलू
थे।
थे,
मैं
कैमरा
रणवीर, सोनाक्षी, अर्जुन, सैफ, करीना, बहुत सारे लोग थे वहाँ पे एंड बादशाह का परफॉर्मेंस चल रहा था एंड हम सब बादशाह के बहुत बड़े फैंस हैं। तो जब उनका डीजे वाले बाबू गाना आया तो हम लोग कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाए एंड हम लोग पीछे चिल कर रहे थे एंड हम लोग वीडियोस बना रहे थे एंड सोनाक्षी लव्स मेकिंग वीडियोस, उसको डब स्मैश का बहुत शौक है। तो मैं और रणवीर भी ऑफ कोर्स उसके साथ बहुत मज़े का, हमने बहुत पार्टी की, हमने बहुत मज़े किए। सो किसी फिल्म के लिए नहीं था, इट वाज जस्ट बैक स्टेज, हम लोग बहुत मज़ा कर रहे थे बस।
प्रियंका की हॉलीवुड एक मिनट
थोड़ा सा माइक तर आणखी नाही टेन्स लगा तुम्ही तो
प्रॉब्लम भी रह जाते हैं, तो उन 5 दिनों में कुछ ऐसी डाइट आप बताना चाहेंगी जो क्या खाना चाहिए और कैसे 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 रहना चाहिए और कैसे कपड़े पहनना, मतलब कपड़ों से डजंट मैटर, खाना क्या चाहिए बेसिकली।
कई लोग सोचते हैं कि पीरियड कोई मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है कि हमें उसको टैकल करना पड़ता है। आप किसी भी अपनी लाइफ में आपकी बहन या गर्लफ्रेंड या वाइफ या जो भी मॉम है उनसे पूछिए कि इसमें कोई मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि आपको कोई अपनी ज़िंदगी बदलनी पड़े उन 5 दिनों में। इसीलिए मैं बाहर आके लोगों को बात बताती हूँ कि इट इज़ समथिंग जो नेचुरली होता है। ऐसी कोई डाइट या ऐसी कोई दवाइयाँ या ऐसे कुछ स्पेशल नहीं करना पड़ता किसी लड़की को। जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, पहली बात तो सब लड़कों को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड आप भी आगे जाके लोगों को एजुकेट करें कि देयर इज़ नथिंग। कई लड़कियों को कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, कुछ लोगों को बैक एक होती है, कुछ लोगों को स्टमक एक होता है, कुछ लोगों की तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है एंड दे शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देयर बॉडी। जो उनको पता है वो इतने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं, दे शुड कंटिन्यू, बट डोंट मेक इट अ बिग डील इज़ माई थिंग। ओन दोज 5 days क्योंकि इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील।
ओके, पर देयर आर टैबू दैट कि मतलब मंदिर नहीं जाते, पिकल्स नहीं टच करते, तो आपको क्या लगता है, इज इट रियली ऐसा होता है या फिर वो जस्ट एक टैबू?
आपको क्या लगता है एज अ गर्ल?
ऑब्वियसली नॉट।
Obviously not, exactly, right? And it's our responsibility as girls कि हम लोगों को ये बात बताएं कि मेरे मंदिर जाने से या मेरे अचार टच करने से इट्स रिडिकुलस, ऐसी बातें हो ही नहीं सकती। आज के दिन हम 2016 में हैं, इट्स क्रेजी कि हम लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं और सिर्फ हमारे देश में ऐसे बात होती है। आई डोंट थिंक कि ये टैबूज बाहर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं है मैं गलत हूँ कि नहीं, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि बाहर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं एंड हमें इन स्टूपिड चीज़ों से बहुत आगे बढ़ना है। आई फील दैट दीज टैबूज आर जस्ट कम्प्लीटली अननेसेसरी एंड दे आर वेरी अनएजुकेटेड।
यदि लड़कों से आप क्या अपील करना चाहती है? दे स्टिल कैरी अ नेगेटिव परसेप्शन अबाउट पीरियड्स।
या
उनसे आप क्या अपील करना चाहती हैं?
या एंड आई फील इट्स लाइक अगर बाल झड़ते हैं और मैं नेगेटिव हो जाऊँ उस बारे में, आप लड़के हैं आपके बाल झड़ेंगे, इट विल हैपन एंड आई फील कि एज अ गर्ल, एज अ बॉय, एज अ मेल एंड फीमेल बायोलॉजिकली जिस तरह से हम लोगों को भगवान ने बनाया है, अगर हम उस बात को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते तो बेसिकली हम क्या कर रहे हैं लाइफ में, सो आई फील कि हर हस्बैंड को, हर भाई को, हर फादर को, हर ग्रैंडफादर को, हर बॉयफ्रेंड को सोचना भी नहीं चाहिए उस बारे में। हम लोग भी नहीं सोचते, हमारे पीरियड आते हैं हम उसके साथ डील करते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। इट्स रियली एज सिंपल एज दैट। यू नीड टू have the rationality and acceptance of something so natural.
प्रियंका हॉलीवुड मूवी में डेब्यूट कर रही है, ये वॉच करके मूवी आ रही होगी रॉक के साथ, उसमें आपका क्या ओपिनियन है?
एक्चुअली मैंने उनसे 1-2 दिन से बात नहीं की है, तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि ये कंफर्म्ड है या नहीं है, मैं जानती नहीं हूँ, तो उनसे बात करने के बाद ही मैं कुछ कह पाऊँगी।
Okay, Parineeti,
Last question.
There is a buzz that you are doing movie with Farah Khan regarding Alia, even Alia Bhatt is there. तो आप उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
मैं बस ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि हर फिल्म जो वहाँ बन रही है उसके बारे में स्पेकुलेट करना बंद करें। मतलब जितनी फिल्में मैंने पिछले साल में करी हैं, मतलब रिकॉर्ड मैंने छू लिए जितनी फिल्म्स मैं कास्ट हुई हूँ, बट नहीं, प्लीज़ वेट कीजिए, मैं जल्द ही अनाउंस कर दूँगी मैं कौन सी फिल्म कर रही हूँ।
अभी भी आप स्लिम स्लिम और बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है, अभी आपके हिसाब से कौन है बॉलीवुड में जो आपकी कहोगे?
कंपेटिटर किस डिपार्टमेंट में?
बॉलीवुड हीरोइन, एक्टर,
सब लोग कंपेटिटर्स हैं यार। कोई भी अगर आज के दिन एक्टर है, चाहे वो 25 साल पुराना एक्टर है या 25 दिन पुराना एक्टर है, एवरीबडी इज अ कंपेटिटर, क्योंकि हम लोग सब सेम इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं।